In this video, I will show you how to find out the manufacturing date of your mobile phone. Knowing the manufacturing date can help you understand how old your device is. This information is important when buying a used phone or checking if your warranty is still valid. First things first, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in device info and hit search. Once you see the app in the search results, tap on it and select this exact app. Now download and install this app on your device. Remember, this is not a sponsored app, it simply makes finding out your phone's manufacturing date quick and easy. After installation is complete, open up the Device Info app. As soon as you launch it, you'll see an interface similar to this one. At the top of the screen, there will be several tabs. Tap on Device. Here you will see an abundance of information regarding your device, from its model number to storage capacity and much more. Now for what you've been waiting for, finding out that all-important manufacturing date. As seen here on my current device, it shows that this particular phone was manufactured on April 26, 2024. And just like that, you now have access to vital information about when your phone was made without having to sift through endless settings or paperwork. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.